Alright my friends, little Tecumseh came in, hasn't been used for a long time. It's been fiddle faired, but that's okay. People are trying, right? First of all, I'll just show you this cable. The cable is supposed to end here and then come up to here. And just look at the mass of tie wraps and a little network of tie wraps he's got to hold this cable that's too long. It comes up to here and it's supposed to end up in that hole there. But that's not the major reason why it's not running good. It actually does start not bad, and the flywheel is broken and has shifted quite a few degrees. So we'll just take this right to here. And we'll focus on that bad boy. Right there. Can you see? Right there. Whoops. There's where the flywheel key is. And there is where the notch is on the shaft. So we got to get that off of there and get a new flywheel key on. Must have hit a rock or something. We are 3/8 on that. Man, there we go. Oh, that's why it's hard to adjust. Okay, now we're going to back the coil off a little bit there. And the brake too. Just so it doesn't break off the brake. So we need a clamp for the stop man, dead man thing, ruler. Now we've got to get that flywheel off of there. We need a 5/8 socket. $11.65 do that. Now hopefully we can just pull this off again. We're going to have to add a little bit of heat. Here we go. What kind of a bar should I use? Do you think this big old screwdriver will do it? It's a pretty nice screwdriver to be using for torquing, but just a minute. There we go. One more before we give up. Okay, I'm going to put a little heat on her and a little bit of oil. Okay, now we're going to heat it up a little bit. I've been trying to drain this one propane can, and it just keeps coming back for a little more each time. What you can also do is heat up these flywheels and then tap the top of the flywheel remover thingamajigger. pretty sure the oil helped. No, I'm not touching that thing. I've done that before. Alright, what do we got here now? There it is. The sheared flywheel key. I'll just grab that for you. That was worth admission alone, wasn't it? Okay, right here. We'll show you first. Right there. And then there's the other half right here. And we'll dig it out. We'll lay that down. And we'll dig it out if we can. Okay. We're going to have to, now that you've seen it, I'm going to have to tap it out with that same little screwdriver. Good. Going down, but it's not coming out. I'll have to get a smaller persuader. Oh, what do we got? What do we got? Oh, that'll work. Maybe. Need something sharp, maybe. There it comes. Wow. When these things shear, of course, they're shearing against a full might of machinery behind them. There we go. Classic flywheel shear. So that's not going to take long to fix. And we've got this thing running that you could actually cut grass with it right now, eh? Okay, I'm going to go get a key and I'll be right back. I got the flywheel key tapped in. And now I'm just checking to see how hot that flywheel is. Not bad. Okay. So right now I'm going to show you that. There's the new flywheel key in there. And then this just slips right over top of said key. Like that. And I'm going to tighten it up. One side's up and one side's down, dirty and clean. There's the dirty. I'll put the dirty side back up again. We'll tighten that up with the business card for the flywheel key. What a great fix, eh? Take it off and have a look. Yeah, it's flattened right down. I love it. Now I'm going to take this, I'm going to tighten it up mildly. And then I'm going to disconnect this, starting to leak again. Arrgh. And get the big ratchet out. Put away the 5/8 do hammer. Get the 3/4 do hammer. And just grab the blade and tighten this up a little bit. about 110 12 foot-pounds, 1422. Now we're going to put this back together. What a great fix. You know, it yanked my hand a couple of times, suggesting to me that we're going to put the gas, there it is. I just put the magnet in here and close up the gap on the magnets. There we go. She's going to run like a dream now, man. Good. And let's put this guy back together. Two at the front. And two at the back. And I just have to get a better cable. Come on, baby. Don't want to strip it. I believe that is a 7/16. Yep. Where's the 3/8? 3/8, I'll be darned. I'm losing. Okay, gas tank on. Rewind hanging. That could almost use another wind in it, couldn't it? Good. And a 1/4 inch screws for the rewind. 1/4 inch, not right here. I gotta be careful on these. Easy to strip them. Good. Now we're going to tighten those up with a 1/4 inch nut driver, red handle thing here. Oh, that one's stripped. Doesn't take anything. Huh. 1/4. Good. Let's see how it runs. Are you still watching? Yay! Okay, prime it up a little bit. Clamps on. It should just run like a top now. Alright, now it just needs a new cable of some description, which I'm not sure how I'm going to go about that. Yes, this is the same lawnmower. It's just wiped down with soapy water. It's not oily or any transmission fluid or anything like that on there. And one little demo for you. This is the one with the sheared flywheel key, right? There we go, that should work. A little primer, new cable. Air filter. Broken flywheel. Oil change, blade sharpened and balanced, and she's not a fancy one, it's a side shoot, but the rural people like those.